Hello everyone, my name is Sam. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to change video frame size in Premiere Pro. Before getting started, please do me a favor by subscribing to this channel for more future uploads. It's free. Alright, without further ado, let's begin. Start with dragging your video file into the timeline. If you see this clip mismatch warning, select existing settings. The first way is manual. Start by selecting the video clip, then go to Effect Controls. Make sure the uniform scale checkbox is ticked if you want to maintain the frame size aspect ratio. But if you want to resize the horizontal and vertical size independently, leave it unticked. Let's try to resize it with the uniform scale is unticked. So click the motion and stretch the size handle at the program monitor until you get the frame size you want. That's it. So let's step back by pressing Ctrl G. Now let's drag the size controller with the uniform scale is checked. Then click the motion, then stretch the size handler. As you can see, Premiere Pro maintains the frame size aspect ratio. That's for the manual way. Let's step back again by pressing Ctrl G. And now for the second way, which is the automatic way, you simply need to right click on the clip and select either scale to frame size if you want to maintain the video aspect ratio, or set to frame size if you want the clip to fill the entire frame space. In case you need to maintain the aspect ratio, select the scale to frame size, and to fill the black spaces, click the motion at the effect controls with the uniform scale is checked, and then stretch out the size handler until it fills the black spaces. Alright, now let's go for the third way. So press Ctrl G to step back again. This way is very useful when you need the sequence frame size to match the clip frame size. Let's say you have multiple clips with the same frame size in your sequence, and you want the sequence to match their frame size. So make sure you select the right sequence you are going to resize. Then go to Sequence Settings. At this dialog box, change the horizontal and vertical frame size amount to match the clip's frame size. Click OK, and click OK again. That's how you can change frame size in Premiere Pro. Alright, that's all for this tutorial. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel for more future uploads. And as always, thanks for watching this video and see you